Make the most of your next campervan vacation with the Dometic HUB and VW connection tunnel. Our inflatable shelter pairs perfectly with the VW connection tunnel, designed to add freestanding shade and shelter to your next trip away. Begin by opening the carry bag of the hub. Next, unwind the cassette awning until you can reach the awning channel easily. Proceed to slide the cater strip from the driveway kit into the awning channel. Then, push the 3 figure-of-8 strips onto the cater. Wind the cassette awning back into its housing. Next, remove the connection tunnel from the carry bag. Using one hand to support the cater, slide the connection tunnel into the figure-of-8. Returning to the hub, locate the external deflation valves towards the base of the air poles and ensure they're closed. Then unscrew the inflation valve and begin inflating the hub. Once you reach between 3 and 4 psi, you can lift the hub up and into position. Then continue inflating until you reach 9 psi. Remember to close the inflation valve once you've finished. Next, connect the tunnel to the hub base. Connect the left side using 2 of the zips. Then connect the right side with the remaining 2 zips. Zip the tunnel into the hub completely, using both the left and right hand zips. Secure the rear corners of the connection tunnel to the ground using the supplied pegs. Position the pegging straps slightly under the campervan. Position the hub away from the van, pulling the connection tunnel taut as you do so. Secure the 4 corners of the hub to keep it in place. Next, use the quick pitch straps located on the corners of the hub to provide stability to your shelter. Simply peg down and pull the strap tight. If you feel you need to secure the hub further, clip in and peg out the supplied storm straps. Finally, unzip the hub tunnel to gain access to the adjustable straps located between the hub and your campervan. Starting on the left, pull them tight to tension the connection tunnel sides and roof. Repeat this step for the right hand side. Your Dometic HUB shelter and VW connection tunnel setup is now complete. Start your adventure sooner and experience more with Dometic.